more welcome than you are, and you are here for what I hope will be regarded as an auspicious and memorable occasion, and what unarguably is the first occasion of its kind. And I would like, if I may, briefly just to say something about the nature of the occasion, the cause of our assembling here, something about Marvi, and something about the particular work and programme for which she is renowned, and tonight, by agreement of the judges in Parliament, being recognised.
Award from the British Parliament is indeed akin to receiving a political Oscar, since the British Parliament is the torchbearer for parliamentary procedures which are followed by many other parliaments of the world, including my own parliament. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Honourable Speaker of the House of Commons and the judging panel, including the Honourable Alex Salmond, Chris, as well as many others, Tasmina and others, and the judging panel, and having chosen me from a galaxy of many other distinguished international parliamentarians for this award.
So we want to award you our encaustic tile, which is very much a British House of Commons tile. It may seem a somewhat quaint gift.
The biggest honour that we can give in our country is a piece of cloth called the ajrak, which the poorest wear and the richest wear. It has, there is nothing for us beyond an ajrak. So I give to you what I wear tonight, which is our honour and our dignity, and this is the ajrak. And so this is written in more than 8 what I consider national languages, what others consider regional languages of Pakistan. It's Pakistan's first multilingual book, and they are stories of Bisp women. They are stories of honour and courage and bravery, written in their own language, spoken the way they should be spoken, with 2 translations, one in Urdu, which is our national language, and the second, of course, in English, so that all of you can understand. These stories are everything. So I present to you the stories of this.
Bless you. Thank you.